Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Nvidia of things that might happen if they acquire ARM and even more. Before we get started, please be sure to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this, and I hope you guys enjoy. But let's get back to the main topic. So for most of you that aren't into the news of Nvidia and haven't really done research, they are trying to acquire ARM, which is a UK brand that makes the chips. They're like one of your most well-known chip makers in the world. Now, a lot of articles coming out saying that if this does happen and does work out for Nvidia to acquire ARM, it could mean higher prices with Nvidia's products and even lower quality. So let's just try to go through some of the things that could happen if this does happen in the future. So obviously if Nvidia does get ARM, and the statements are true that prices for the Nvidia graphics cards will be higher and will be lower quality, this means AMD will have a bigger opportunity to beat them with the GPUs. Because I mean, AMD has been doing so well, so much. Well, they've done quite a lot of things more easier, or they're making it more easier for you to get GPUs that can run very good games at full max quality, which is insane. I mean, AMD went from a brand that no one really wanted to get to a brand that everyone is getting for their PC builds. People recommending AMD to new people that are wanting to get into PC building. So AMD is doing quite a lot, right, with their brands, the products. So if Nvidia does end up doing this and does affect the price of it and affect the quality, AMD will have a huge upper hand with the GPUs, because also the GPUs they have are not only cheap, but also allow you to experience the same quality as Nvidia. Also, Nvidia has been more experienced with GPUs, but AMD is catching up, and AMD might even take out Intel with some of the CPUs, because AMD is in the works of a new chip that could defeat Intel with the CPUs for good. I might not go into full depth, but if you want me to go into more detail about AMD's new chip that have been rumored to have a lot of cores, I think it's like 93 cores or even more, then let me know in the comments. I will do a video on that separately. Otherwise, that's what they say. Nvidia might have some trouble if they go through with the ARMs, acquiring ARM. So if this does happen, it does affect. But otherwise, that's all I have to really say. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, check this video out. Check this video out as well. And if you want to support the channel, hit this button right here. But otherwise, hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next. And if you go, have a great day. And don't forget, you can support me at the first link in my bio. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you guys in the next video. Bye.